Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
Go see anyhow. After acquiring toilet paper certificates, it's supposed to talk. No, they talk. Now teens like you, useless parasites like you. You are a rogue journalist who want to create mischief, and you failed woefully. Now, rogue journalists like Ruben who have eaten from government, who have never worked for government, who cannot survive outside and out from people. After acquiring toilet paper certificates, who cannot survive outside and out. Look, Ruben, you know me. My mouth no good. I no be wicked. Anyhow you want them, I go give you. If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. I dey tell you. Now, is that what they taught you in school? As a Malabite, is that what they taught you in school? That you will lift lies and propagate it. Is that what they taught you at school? 10 months old live brokers. You think you are talking to somebody who cannot eat you back? You should have known me now. This is how you raise all manner of hell on the Awolowo issue in Lagos. And you failed woefully. You have written all sorts of jargon with non-gote baking baby, long English that avails nothing. You that was deputy governor, shamelessly deputy governor, and accomplice to a drug addict, deputy governorship candidate to a drug addict, to a drug baron, Buruji, who was wanted. You hit off government, you hit off brown envelope, you hit off handouts. Your PhD is just an ego clutches, which you are using to blackmail and do GPT, OBT, obtaining by false pretense. It's not somebody like me you can blackmail, Mr. Batty. You have no moral, you are nobody, other than the toilet paper certificate which grant you a doctor of nothing. I won't even waste my breath on that idiot called Sowore, an outcast. I won't waste my breath on him. But you, I will give it to you, woto. Lilliputians like you, who cannot see giants. Who cannot see giants. Your worldview is to live in your cocoon of dwarfs. You are writing so that tomorrow, when the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu cannot contain Boko Haram element insurgents in the east, you will turn back to say, did we not say that Ahmed Bola Tinubu will fail? And you say, you will now dwell on that, but you will fail. Nobody will listen to your advice because you don't even have an advice. You are an envious person. a person who is filled with jealousy and envy. You want Ahmed Bola Tinubu to fail. If Buhari government can engage me, if Buhari government can engage me to bring safety and safe passage for the people on the Abuja-Kaduna road, it should be commended. What is wrong? Do you know how many lives we have saved? Do you know how many people were brought from depression and trauma? Have you ever talked to people who have been kidnapped? But you have met your Waterloo. Because I will not leave you alone. And I ask you not to leave me alone. I will take you to the gutter. Ruben Abati, I, Alhaji Mujahid, Asari, I promise you I will take you to the gutter. And you will never come out of that gutter. Look at who is talking. A thief. Money that you embezzled under Goodluck's government, assigned to your office. You did not do anything good for Goodluck. At the end of the day, he left office. The next thing, you want to be deputy governor with a convicted drug lord. People who are supposed to talk, no, they talk. Now, teens like you, useless parasites like you, are the people who wants to talk. I don't run away from battle. You're happy that Igbo cannibals have come up. Igbo land is no longer safe. There's a video trending. One Biafran Liberation Army, as they call themselves. I'm going to wipe them out. Mark my words. Very soon I will hunt them down and wipe them out. They attacked the army. A live video they were shooting. They said, how many people are running? How many people are running? You didn't see that video. I will send the video to you. We did not employ ourselves. The government saw the potentials in us, the capacity in us, and knowing that we can deliver and engage them. That Buhari government engaged me shows that they know who I am. I was not a friend of Buhari. Unlike you people, for 7 years, I was anti-Buhari. Buhari, with all that, saw the capacity in me, that I am capable. And the government came, asked me, those terrorists you are promoting, in the name of fighting Ahmed Bola Tinubu, that you are promoting those terrorists, ESN, now Biafran Liberation Army, the way I decimated ESN, I am going to decimate them. In a few days' time, you will start to hear when I will hunt them down. They cannot cause headache to ordinary people who just want to go out, feel safe, and make their livelihood, bring food to their children at home. They will not go outside and get harassed. They will not go outside and not come back. They will not go outside and get killed by people for no reason other than that they are Igbos, and their fellow blood-thirsty Igbos want to kill them in the name of fighting for Biafra. When in actual fact, these are armed robbers. They are armed robbers. You support them because of your hatred for Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Your prayer that Ahmed Bola Tinubu government should fail, so that you clap, so that you say, is it not what we said? And then there are rogue elements like you, rogue journalists. There are rogue elements within the army. Rogue elements within the army, some of whom are sympathetic to these insurgents. Some of these people are sympathetic to these insurgents. And if we allow them, they will sabotage, and they had always sabotaged the effort of the military. These are the people you are Abati, a rogue journalist, is supporting. These are the elements you are supporting. You don't know the pains that people go through. You don't know how people will leave their home. Almost all the traditional rulers in Imo and Anambra are not living in their state. They are either in Abuja, Asaba, or Port Harcourt because their lives are not safe. They are being killed, their palaces are being burned. All the divisional police headquarters, police posts in Anambra State have been burnt. Guns carted away. Policemen cannot wear their uniform and walk freely. If they do, they'll be killed. You're happy with it because you want Ahmed Bola Tinubu to fail. This is not a government, the type of government that you know. This is a government that is out to change the life of the people in direction in 360 degrees. 360 degrees. This is a government that is out to change our income, to change our livelihood, to change our happiness, to make us a people that can stand up to all other nations. We visit Dubai, we visit Qatar, we visit other oil-producing states. We see the wonders. I'm in Saudi Arabia. You see the oil money is doing. Why is our own different? Because there are people like you who bring toilet paper certification to work with rogue elements to continue to steal and plunder the resources of states. Continue to steal and plunder the resources of states. And you write all sorts of long English to cover up. This is not the government. We know your tricks. And President Ahmed Bola Tinubu know you people's tricks. You cannot deceive the people. The people will triumph over you people. With the help of God, on the side of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, inshallah, we will succeed and shame all of you. Those who are writing petition, write. You don't have the facts. So when you write a video that was not even directed at Igbos, manipulate the video, distort the video, they could not. If I was referring to the Igbos, I will say, I don't know where these Igbos come from. If it is British, I will still be silent then. I was talking to, you read English. You should know that I was addressing somebody else who is not an Igbo. I will not be saying it's not everybody that is Kalawari. This Kalawari, people own it. I won't be saying that to Igbo. Are Igbos Kalawari people now? But your study of English meant nothing because you are a rogue journalist who want to create mischief and you failed woefully. From Saudi Arabia, me, I don't run. So that write all your petition. It's an open country, it's a democratic country, and I've never been afraid of detention. I've been detained 76 times. And in all that, I come out with my shoulders high because I have not committed any crime. If I'm fighting on behalf of government, what do I use? I use guns to fight. I don't use knife and spiritual powers. Yes, my followers can have some spiritual bezu and so on. I'm a Muslim. I took the kalima la ilaha illallah wa la sharika Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Allah is my fortress. But is a free state. And as a Muslim, you see, that's why I'm in Saudi Arabia. At all time I come here and I get spiritually fortified for rogue elements like you people. So you can go on to threaten. You can go on to say all manner of things, all sort of things. You will surely fail. You can go on to say all manner of things. You will surely fail. Because I know send you.
and gentlemen, good day my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.